simplify polynomials, and then we're going to make sure they're in standard form, and then we're going to classify them. Okay? Good? All right. Very good. Okay. Little plus sign. What does that mean? What number is there if it's just a little plain old plus sign? It's a 1. Good, a positive 1. If I just multiply something by a positive 1, does it change anything? No. So when it's just a plus sign, it's like it's not even there. It doesn't even matter. Okay? Now, what do I need to check first for it to be in standard form? Okay? Can you open up your notes? Okay. What do I need to check first? Remember from last time? Yeah.
Add like terms.
Add like terms. Good. Okay, very first thing. Number 1. Like terms. Okay. Are there any like terms on this? Yeah. What are they? Does the k cubed, does the exponent change when I add them together? No, that's only when I multiply. So I'm just adding the numbers in front. So I have 1k here and 6k cubed here. So I'd have 7k cubed. Are there any other like terms?
Yeah, the -3.
Good. Okay, so I added my like terms. What's the next thing I check? Go ahead. Exponents in order, right? So biggest exponent. I thought that was an electric toothbrush for a second. I was like, is that dude brushing his teeth? Like, I mean, I've seen some weird things in the classroom. Like, that'd be a new one. That's all right. Honestly, it's probably a better pencil sharpener than the ones I have. Biggest exponents on left, right? Okay, and then the third thing, we classify both ways. Okay, if you still need to flip back to the first page to remember the vocab, you are more than welcome to. What do we call it when the highest exponent is a 3? Cubic. Good memory. Cubic. And what do we call it when there's 2 terms being added or subtracted? Good job, guys. Okay, so there's my answer. There's my standard form. I added like terms, biggest exponents on the left, classify both ways. So what makes these ones a little trickier is that you actually have to either add or subtract the things before you can classify it and rearrange it and stuff. Okay, let's try another one. Is B like A, where because there's no number between the parentheses, it's like they're not even there? Or do I need to distribute something first? Yeah, that -1, does it go to both parentheses? Just the one after it, okay? So the first parentheses are gonna stay the same. And then the second one, I'm gonna take that negative and give it to both pieces. So minus P plus 5. And I'm going to combine like terms. 8p minus 1p, right? So 7p. And then minus 7 plus 5. Is that going to be positive 2 or negative 2? Good job. Okay. Is the biggest exponent on the left? Yeah. Okay. The highest exponent is invisible. Does that mean it's 0? No, it's 1. When is it 0 again? Can someone raise their hand and remind me when it's 0 again? Here. When there's no variable at all. When there's no letter at all. Okay. So when it's 1, anybody remember what that's called? Linear. And 2 pieces again, so it's a linear binomial. You guys are doing good. Let's skip to D, okay? The first parenthesis, is there anything I need to do to the first parenthesis? No? Okay, what about the second one? Yeah, I'm only giving the negative to the second parenthesis. Does it go to this r cubed at the end too? Can someone raise their hand and tell me how do I know? Go ahead. Perfect. Yeah, it only goes what's in the parentheses. So as soon as it got closed here, I don't do anything to the plus r cubed. Perfect. So the first one stays the same. And then I multiply -1 into that second one. And then the r cubed stay the same. I'm going to come around and answer questions. I want you to finish this problem out. Combine like terms, rearrange it so it's in standard form, and then classify it both ways. If you don't have your vocab words memorized yet, that's okay. Just flip to the yesterday's notes page, okay?